Chase.com, Chase login, Chase Bank online login. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can log into Chase Bank online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now logging into Chase Bank online is very simple. Open your browser and go to chase.com, or you can go to chase.co.uk if you're from the UK, right? But if you're from the US, you go to chase.com, you will see this type of interface. Tap the sign in button from the very top right hand side of the screen. Now you must have already activated your online banking to log in, by the way, or you can download the Chase application as well. Once you do that, all you have to do is enter your username and your password, then tap the sign in option. You can choose to remember your password, and when you tap on sign in, you'll be successfully signed in if your details are correct. And if you happen to forget your username, you can tap on forgot username or password. If you have not activated online banking, you can tap the sign up now to activate your Chase online. This way you should be able to go ahead and then log into Chase Bank online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.